Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the song onto the iPhone and opening a vocal removal app. Import the track from files or voice memos. Make sure the app has file permissions so it can read and write. Choose the AI or stereo phase cancel method the app offers. Once done, choose the highest quality import setting. This preserves stereo info the removal relies on. You'll now be ready to run the first processing pass. Keep headphones connected to hear differences immediately. You now run the core removal. Pick stereo center channel canceling for older studio mixes or AI separation for complex modern mixes. The why is that stereo canceling needs vocals panned center while AI separates instruments. Start with a moderate removal strength, then preview a short segment. If vocals bleed, reduce strength. If backing vocals disappear, increase. Once comfortable with a preview, process the entire track. Make sure to save a copy so you don't overwrite the original. You finish by exporting the processed file in WAV or high bitrate MP3 to keep clarity. Listen through speakers and headphones to check for vocal traces or artifacts. If you hear hollow or metallic sounds, apply light EQ to restore mid-frequencies or slightly reduce removal strength and reprocess. If the app left vocal remnants, switch to the other removal mode or use AI separation for stems. One troubleshooting tip: rerun with 0.5 strength changes and preview. Small steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.